AOBEN cordless electric ratchet wrench set offers a fastening speed of 280 revolutions per minute with variable speed control. It features an LED light for illumination and power indicators on the side. The backward switch prevents accidental actuation. The air-cooled motor stabilizes the battery temperature. The set includes 2 rechargeable 12-volt lithium-ion batteries and a 60-minute fast charger. Keep all the pieces organized in the compact toolbox. Get it now on Amazon Prime Day with a 42% discount. The RUITOOL Japanese pull saw is a versatile and precise woodworking tool. Its SK5 steel blade is flexible, durable, and wear-resistant. With coarse and fine teeth, it allows for various types of cuts with high precision. The 10-inch blade and comfortable grip handle ensure easy handling. It's lightweight and suitable for one- or two-handed use. Don't miss the chance to get this high-quality saw with a 40% discount offer. Upgrade your woodworking tools with the RUITOOL Japanese pull saw. The Wirefy crimping tool is a professional-grade tool for electrical connectors. It works with various types of connectors, including heat shrink, nylon, non-insulated, and more. With a precise ratcheting mechanism, it delivers consistent crimps. The adjustable crimping force allows customization for different connectors. Made from high-quality materials, it is built to last. The tool comes with a lifetime warranty for added assurance. Don't miss the opportunity to get it with a 33% discount offer. Upgrade your crimping capabilities with the Wirefy crimping tool. The iCrimp CRQ01 is a compact and durable disconnect tool designed specifically for brass push-to-connect fittings. It features 3 teeth in different sizes and can be used with both copper and PX pipes. With wide grip handles, it is easy to use even in hard-to-reach places. Simply slide the tongs over the fitting and squeeze to release the collar. The CRQ01 is a reliable tool that can withstand everyday use. Don't miss the chance to get this versatile tool with a 20% discount. Upgrade your plumbing toolkit with the iCrimp CRQ01. Upgrade your sheet metal tool collection with the versatile Hurricane Sheet. Metal hand seamer. Made of durable steel with a nickel-plated finish, it ensures long-lasting performance. Precise bending is effortless with the marked 1 or 4-inch increment jaws, while the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip. Ideal for gutters, flashing, and roofing, this 6-inch seamer is lightweight and easy to handle. Don't miss the 44% discount offer. Get the Hurricane Sheet metal hand seamer now. The SWANLAKE 118 pieces magnetic screwdriver set is a versatile and comprehensive tool set that includes standard and precision screwdrivers, as well as a wide range of bits. Made of high-quality steel, the screwdrivers feature ergonomic handles for comfortable use. The magnetic tips on the screwdrivers and bits make it easy to handle small parts. The set comes in a plastic case with a magnetic base for convenient storage and portability. With a 36% discount offer, the SWANLAKE 118 pieces magnetic screwdriver set is a great value for the price and a must-have for any home or workshop. The Pony 8510 BP cabinet claw is a versatile and time-saving tool designed for face frame cabinet installation. Made of high-quality aluminum, it features protective rubber pads to prevent cabinet damage. With its wide opening capacity, it can accommodate various cabinet sizes. The tool combines multiple installation steps into one process, eliminating the need for clamp repositioning. Easy to use and built to last, the Pony 8510 BP cabinet claw ensures a professional quality installation. With a 53% discount offer, it's an excellent opportunity to add this tool to your collection. The HAPDEN Grommet Toolkit is a popular choice for fabric grommet installation. It includes a sturdy metal grommet press, hole punch, white backer block, and 500 rust-resistant grommets. The kit is easy to use and offers great value for its affordable price. However, the grommet press may not be suitable for larger projects, and the grommets may not be as durable as higher-quality brands. Take advantage of the 36% discount to add this kit to your collection. The KABIN Kindle Quick Log Splitter is a practical manual tool designed specifically for splitting logs into kindling. Crafted from robust cast steel, this splitter ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Its dulled blade guarantees safe and effortless usage, providing you with peace of mind. With a capacity to handle logs up to 6 inches in diameter and 15.5 inches in length, including knotty logs, it proves to be highly versatile. Although it may have a slightly heavier weight and require the use of a mallet, its effectiveness is undeniable. Don't miss out on the fantastic opportunity to purchase this tool at a discounted rate of 27% and enhance your collection of essential equipment. The DURATECH Universal Wrench Set is a set of 2 drop-forged steel wrenches, 8-inch and 10-inch in size. They are heat-treated and mirror-polished for strength and a smooth finish. The wrenches are ANSI standard and can be used on both SAE and metric fasteners. They offer a wide range of adjustable sizes and compatibility with various types of fasteners. While some users have reported difficulty in adjustment, the set remains durable and affordable. Take advantage of the 36% discount to add this versatile tool to your collection. Get the Hodo cordless screwdriver set with a 49% discount. It includes 12 durable S2 steel long bits stored in a portable alloy box. The screwdriver offers easy maneuverability with screw-unscrew buttons and a circular LED lamp. Its lightweight design and non-slip grip allow for convenient one-handed operation. Enjoy precise control with adjustable torque settings and an intelligent chip. The large capacity battery can handle over 1,000 screws, while the high-speed motor and metallic gearbox provide strong power output. Don't miss out on this efficient cordless screwdriver set at a great discount. The SUNLFPROD Stair Tread Template Tool is an exceptional addition to your woodworking arsenal. Crafted from durable metal, this tool is built to last through countless projects. It comes equipped with 2 sets of extension parts, offering a wide range of combinations to suit your specific needs. The rotating staircase measuring jig ensures precise angle measurements, enabling you to achieve impeccable accuracy. From measuring stair treads to tackling various woodworking endeavors, this tool proves invaluable. Don't miss out on the fantastic opportunity to add this versatile tool to your collection at a discounted rate of 30%. The Nelyrho handheld wire stripper tool is a compact and lightweight manual tool that efficiently removes insulation from electrical wires. With its double-sided blade and screw fixation system, it easily handles wires of different sizes and allows for simple disassembly and reassembly. Just insert the wire, adjust the blade depth, and pull to strip the insulation. This versatile tool suits electricians, hobbyists, and more, offering both convenience and durability. While it may be sharp and not as fast as electric wire strippers, you can currently purchase the Nelyrho wire stripper with a 16% discount to enjoy its practicality. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.